In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create an effective ad. There are lots of people, there are lots of advertisers out there. They are facing the same problem. They are spending a lots of money on the Facebook advertising and all stuff, but end of the day they did not get the result. In this video, I'm going to share with you my all tips and tricks, strategies, framework, how I create ads for my business and I got the whole results. So in this video, I'm going to show you. Just jump and have a look what's my framework and how I use the whole strategy to create an effective ad. Let's get started. Hi everyone, this is Balwinder. As I mentioned you in this video, I'm going to share with you my whole strategy, how I create a Facebook ads for my business. There are lots of people out there. They have a great campaign, they have a great ad set, but end of the day, they are not getting the result. And due to the lack of the strategy, how they can create the ads, this is the main problem, because lots of people have the same problem, right? They have the whole things great, but end of the day, if your ad is not good, they are not attractive, you will not get the result, because this is the last step which your audience will see it. If your ads looks good, the thanu result bhi bahut vadiya milega, right? So in this video, I'm going to share with you my strategy कि मैं अपनी Facebook the ads की मैं create करना, then it will be really helpful for you. So I would like to give you my framework, and मेरा framework की है PPBBT. This is my framework, PPBBT. A P for person, a P for product, B for background color, or again B for border, and T for text. Let's jump on to the first framework. It should be in your ad, which is person. जिस तरह दी भी तुसी ad create कर रहे हो, try to put your own face in the ad. उधर result क्या होएगा? End of the day, your ad look realistic, plus it look trustworthy. Do not use the simple stock images that will not be get your results, right? You would not get your result. But अगर तुसी अपनी image use कर दे and it looks trustworthy and it looks realistic, you will be get a lots of result. मैं भी पहला simple images ad use करता सीगा, but when I just started my own face, I got a lots of result, because you have to create a relation with your client. That I would say, right? So guys, persons ਦੇ ਅੱਗੇ किस तरह ਦਾ फेस इमोशंस होने चाहिए, किस तरह ਦਾ फेस इंटरेक्शन होना चाहिए ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਆਡੀਅנס ਨੂੰ. I would give you 4 rules to put a 4 emotion that should be on your face, right? The ਪਹਿਲਾ emotion ਜਿਹੜਾ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ person ਹੈ, like even you would like to be in your ad, ਤਾਂ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ face ਹੈ, it looks happiness. Because guys, this is the human psychology ਜੋ ਮੈਂ ਹੁਣ ਤੱਕ ਨੋਟ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ. ਜਦੋਂ ਮੈਂ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ emotions use ਕਰਦਾ, then I got a great clicks, great result, because this is the human psychology that grabbing your customer attention. क्योंकि customer ਜਦੋਂ Facebook feed scroll कर रहा है, if you have some kind of images that looks attractive, and the customer will see your ad, and that's your goal. Your goal should be your customer will see your ad and they are going to click their ads, your ads, right? So make sure that it should be good. So again, ਜਿਹੜਾ person ਤੁਸੀਂ use ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਜਾਂ ਆਪਣਾ face use ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਜਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਕੰਪਨੀ ਦਾ ਖੁਦ ਦਾ attractive character ਹੈ ਜੋ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਕੰਪਨੀ ਨੂੰ represent ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ, so they have 4 emotions in their face. ਚਾਰੋਂ ਦੇ ਚਾਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਣੇ ਚਾਹੀਦੇ, any one of them. It depends on your product. Pehla, happiness. Make sure that unna de face te happiness howe. Second, sadness. Might be they look sad. It grabbing the customer attention, right? So human psychology. Keep the human psychology in your mind. Third thing, shocking, yeah, strange, right? Shocking, yeah, strange. Fourth thing, anger a four emotions ने जो थोड़ी audience या थोड़ी जिड़ा attractive character है might be one of them in their faces, so it looks good. This is the first framework, first point, right? The second point is product. Make sure that जिड़ी तुसी ad create कर रहे हो that product should be in the ads. Means वो ad किस चीज ਨੂੰ represent कर रही है, it should be in your ad. थोड़ी ad खुद बोले, खुद गल करे कि this ad is what for, right? The third point is background. It can be there, cannot be there, but I highly recommend it put a background, because white background de which every image looks white, every image the GDV image of the background white hunda, right? So do not use the white background, use little bit different color, it based on the color combination, so that जो customer again scroll कर रहे Facebook feed nu, then they stop your ads and they looks on your ads. Now the fourth point is border. Try to use a simple border थोड़ी ads होते, try to use a simple border with your ads. Again it looks good. अगर तुसी use नहीं भी कर दे, you can try that split testing. It means that which ad looks good and which ad looks getting the more result. But I'll recommend use a small border, looks good, right? And the fifth point is text overlay. Guys, use small text on your ad, and that text should be represent what you are selling for, या थोड़े प्रोडक्ट का नाम या फिर कुछ भी इस तरह का टेक्स्ट जो थोड़ी क्रेडिटेबिलिटी शो करे या ट्रस्ट वर्दी और रियलिस्टिक लगे, ताकि क्लाइंट जो भी ऑडियंस उन्हें देख रही है it looks good and they are willing to click the ads, and that's your goal, right? The thodi ads no click kare, then they will be redirect to your Facebook page or website page. So guys, this is my framework I always use in my ads, taki the end of the day guys, the goal would be to grab your customer attention. अगर हुन तक ह्यूमन साइकोलॉजी की गल करिए तो मैं तुहानू 4 इमोशंस दसे आ. Try to use the 4 emotions जो मैं try करता हूँ हमेशा use करन दी. Can be other emotions as well, but the 4 emotions which I mentioned you, I always prefer to use this one that grab your customer attention. they वो थोड़ी ad नो click करे, and that's our goal. I hope guys this would be helpful for you. This is the great framework. Now you have the framework how you can create the ads, right? In the next video I would like to share with you the content which should be in your ad. किस तरह दा content होना चाहिए, the how you can write that content will be really helpful for you, because this is also a problem. Customers can they create the ads, but now what they can write onto the ads. की वो देखन एड्स दे होते लिखन की what should they write on it. So I have a great strategy, I have a great tips and tricks that will be mentioned you what sort of content you should write it so that it looks good and they thodi ads attractive bane, the customer click on it. I hope that helps you. Thank you so much for watching for this video guys. If you have any kind of question, just mention a comment below. My team will definitely help you out. And do not forget to subscribe this channel, because through this channel I always prefer to share my tips and tricks with you so that I can help you out. Thank you so much guys. Thank you so much for watching.